Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we had discussed about the emergence of democracy, and the name of the chapter was Emergence of Democracy, a Historical Perspective. Now we'll discuss about all the developments which had happened in England. So let's start the topic. मॉडर्न डेमोक्रेसी वी कैन ट्रेस इट बैक जो हमारी मॉडर्न डेमोक्रेसी है वी कैन ट्रेस इट बैक एंड वी कैन नो मोर थिंग अबाउट this modern democracy from the democracy of England, the glorious revolution of 1688 which had happened in England, and because of why England had established a constitutional form of government and the rule of law came into effect because of that. And at that time also kings were having power, but they can only exercise those power in the name. They can't do anything without the permission of the parliament. Whatever the parliament had passed, जो भी parliament pass करता था, they have to do those things. Without the permission of the parliamentary members, they can't do anything. And Britain is ब्रिटेन को कहा जाता है कि दैट कंट्री ब्रिटेन इज़ द फर्स्ट मॉडर्न फॉर्म ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी बिकॉज रॉयल जो एब्सोल्यूटिज्म था came into an end after the civil war in the 17th century, and power was transferred to the town of two houses of parliament. These houses were known as House of Lords and the House of Commons. जो मतलब दो हाउसेस होते थे, एक हाउस ऑफ लॉर्ड्स एक हाउस ऑफ कॉमन्स, दो हाउस ये जो पावर थी वो ट्रांसफ़र की गई थी इन दोनों हाउसेस को, एक पावर हाउस ऑफ लॉर्ड्स एक हाउस ऑफ कॉमन. हाउस ऑफ लॉर्ड्स में हाउस ऑफ लॉर्ड वॉज रिगार्डेड एज इन दैट हाउस only rich peoples, only rich members can get the entry, and in the house of common people, common means in that house common people can get a entry. However, right to vote was a ownership of the property. The Reform Act of 1832 gave the upper middle class the right to vote, and one Reform Act had passed in 1832. According to that, upper middle class can have the right to vote. Chartist movement had happened in the middle of 19th century in England, and that demanded that more classes of people should be given the franchise. 1838 में 6 मेंबर्स ऐसे थे पार्लियामेंट के और 6 मैन वर्किंग क्लास के थे. उन्होंने एक कमेटी का फॉर्मेशन किया एंड दे ड्रू अप सम ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. उन्होंने कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ड्रू अप किए विच केम टू बी नोन एज पीपल्स चार्टर, जिनको क्या कहा गया, पीपल्स चार्टर कहा गया. एज वी ऑलरेडी नो दैट कुछ मेंबर्स ने कमेटी का फॉर्मेशन किया और कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव्स उन्होंने बनाए और उसको बाद में क्या कहा गया, पीपल्स चार्टर. और जो ऑब्जेक्टिव्स थे यहाँ दिए गए. नाउ विल डिस्कस वन बाय वन दीज ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. First one was universal suffrage for all men over the age of 21. Universal suffrage means they have the right to vote at the age after over the age of 21, and when they become after 21 of age, then they should have the right to vote. Annual election of the parliament and salary for members of the parliament. पार्लियामेंट का एनुअली एक इलेक्शन हो और मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट की क्या हो, सैलरी हो, एक फिक्स सैलरी हो. वोटिंग शुड बी डन बाय अ सीक्रेट बैलेट. सीक्रेट बैलेट पेपर से वोटिंग करवाई जाए. टू डू अवे विद द कंडीशन विच रिक्वायर्ड प्रॉपर्टी एज अ क्वालिफिकेशन फॉर द पार्लियामेंट, and to remove the condition that was property, that the person should have the property to get the qualification to be a member of parliament. And the last one is equal size electoral district. The district were not equal size, they have demanded the district should be of equal size. And after that, the Chartist movement is significant. The Chartist movement is significant for the fact that they demanded universal male franchise for the first time. It resulted in the parliament yielding to the control for the working class. The Russian Revolution of 1917 redefined the concept of democracy, political equality without social and economic rights had no meaning according to the revolutionary. And whatever had happened in the Chartist movement, it was that significant. It was a fact that they have demanded universal male franchise, means they wanted that all men should have the right to vote, and it had happened for the first time. And it resulted that parliament had given the right to vote to the working class. Russian Revolution of 1917, a famous revolution it was, and it had redefined the concept of democracy, and it also defined the political equality, that what is the meaning of political equality. And without social and economic rights had no meaning at that time. Without social and economic right, no one had no meaning according, and revolutionaries had said that अगर सोशल और इकोनॉमिक राइट पॉलिटिकल राइट नहीं दिया जाएगा तो पॉलिटिकल इक्वालिटी की कोई भी मीनिंग नहीं होगी. We and after the achievement of the independence, the movement started, the freedom movement started in India, marked a glorious chapter, as it is a famous, it is a very glorious chapter that we have got freedom and how we got freedom. It was a moment of freedom, and makers of the constitution have envisioned an India in which every Indian they have said, जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जिन्होंने बनाया, they have said that Indian citizen would get political, as we have already discussed about the preamble of our constitution. In that it is already written that we will get the political, social and economic equality. So they provided a parliamentary democracy. तो हम लोगों को जो आज गवर्नमेंट मिली है, ये पार्लियामेंट्री डेमोक्रेसी की एक गवर्नमेंट मिली है. इसका फॉर्मेशन जो है एक पार्लियामेंट्री गवर्नमेंट का फॉर्मेशन है. जो प्रीएम्बल है हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का, ये जैसा कि मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले बताया, दैट इट ऑल्सो डिक्लेयर्स दैट वी शुड गेट ऑल द facilities in our country that is related to a citizen, and it also declares India to be a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic with political, social and economic freedom of thought, expression, faith and belief. Now we'll discuss the next topic, which is universal adult franchise. In other words, in my own words, universal adult franchise is a right that gives a right to the person of 18 years or above to give the right to vote, according to which a person of 18 or above can give their vote. And during election, government gives identity card, and then with the help of our voting ID card, we can give our vote, and we can cast our vote to any representative who is willing to give us some more facilities, to give us some more reliefs, to give us some more development issues, like our एजुकेशनल डेवलपमेंट, हमारा एजुकेशनल डेवलपमेंट हो, हमारा हेल्थ डेवलपमेंट हो, ये सब के लिए. एंड इन दैट केस वी हैव द राइट टू चूज़ आवर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव. We can choose our representative. So that's enough for today's class. Now we'll discuss the next things in the next class. Till then, goodbye and take care. Stay home, stay safe and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.